Athena is still struggling with her allergies. Her eyes and ears are doing great, but she's dealing with a couple of hot spots now. She's been to the vet for this issue, and now she's on a probiotic, and the itchiness has subsided a little bit, but what could have caused her allergies in the first place? I'm not sure I will ever know for sure, but I was cleaning the cat's water fountain and noticed some mold forming on the pump. So I tried to wash it off using a bottle cleaning brush. But there is still mold present in the crevices. These pieces don't come apart, so I'm unable to clean it any further than this. It's possible with just a little bit of mold, it can make a cat sick, even if the water is clean. It can cause allergic reactions, respiratory problems, and can cause gastrointestinal issues. And I will point out that all 5 of the cats had gastroenteritis earlier this year. Needless to say, the fountain will no longer be used in this house. So we are back to water bowls and drinking from the tap, of course.